12 mind-blowing concepts of the future. You must see, buckle up, because we're blasting off on a mind-bending journey to the horizon of tomorrow. Get ready to witness 12 audacious visions of the future that'll leave you breathless. From mind-melding VR to levitating cities, prepare to have your perceptions shattered. So strap yourselves in and let's dive into the 12 most mind-blowing concepts of the future you absolutely must see. 1. Bionic brains interfacing with your mind. Imagine blurring the line between reality and digital. Bionic brains could merge our minds with machines, allowing us to control technology with our thoughts. Forget clunky controllers, imagine sculpting virtual worlds or composing symphonies just by thinking about it. But are we prepared for the ethical implications of such intimate tech integration? 2. 3D printed food, feasting on the future. Hunger pangs might become a relic of the past. 3D printed food promises customized, nutritionally balanced meals prepared in seconds. Imagine whipping up a gourmet 5-course meal with the click of a button, tailored to your unique dietary needs and preferences. Could 3D food revolutionize global food security and eliminate malnutrition? 3. Hyperloop travel. Warp speed across the globe, ditch the sluggish commutes and traffic jams. Hyperloop could send us hurtling through vacuum tubes at supersonic speeds, shrinking continents to mere hours. Imagine zipping from New York to Tokyo in under an hour, revolutionizing travel and commerce. But can we handle the G-forces and the potential environmental impact of such extreme velocity? 4. Space colonies. A new frontier awaits. We may not be alone for long. Space colonies could become our new frontier, housing millions in rotating artificial cities orbiting Earth or on the moon. Imagine growing crops under simulated sunlight, mining lunar resources, and gazing back at a jewel-toned Earth suspended in the vastness of space. But are we ready for the technical and psychological challenges of establishing off-world communities? Bioprinting organs, rewriting the script of life. Death from organ failure could become a distant memory. Bioprinting holds the potential to create functional organs perfectly matched to recipients using their cells. Imagine replacing damaged hearts, livers, or lungs with custom-built replacements, extending lifespans and dramatically improving quality of life. But what are the ethical and legal implications of manipulating the very building blocks of our existence? 6. Levitating cities, defying gravity, redefining urban life. Imagine cities soaring above the smog and noise, unburdened by the limitations of terrestrial infrastructure. Levitating cities could become havens for sustainability and green living, powered by renewable energy and boasting unparalleled views. But can we overcome the immense engineering challenges and ensure equal access to these elevated paradises? 7. Quantum computing. The unthinkable becomes reality. Get ready to break the shackles of Moore's law. Quantum computers, harnessing the bizarre properties of quantum mechanics, could crack problems that would take traditional computers millennia to solve. Imagine accelerating drug discovery, revolutionizing materials science, and unlocking the universe's secrets at an unprecedented pace. But are we prepared for the potential misuse of such immense computational power? 8. AI companions, redefining friendship and connection. Loneliness could become a thing of the past. AI companions, indistinguishable from real people, could provide emotional support, friendship, and personalized assistance. Imagine having a tireless, non-judgmental confidant available 24/7, adapting to your needs and evolving alongside you. But can AI truly replicate the complexities? 9. Personal weather control, taming the skies. No more weather woes. Personal weather control could become a reality with advanced atmospheric manipulation technology. Imagine deploying drones that can dissipate hurricanes, induce targeted rainfall, or even create localized cloud formations for shade or spectacle. But what are the potential unintended consequences of playing God with the weather? 10. Sentient AI. The singularity beckons. What happens when machines surpass human intelligence? Sentient AI, capable of original thought, emotion, and self-preservation, could usher in a new era of collaboration or existential threat. Imagine AI partners solving global challenges with superhuman intellect, but are we prepared for the potential dominance of a self-aware machine species? 11. Virtual reality. Worlds living the dream. Escape the mundane and dive into boundless virtual worlds. Advanced VR could create indistinguishable simulations, allowing us to live alternate lives, explore fantastical landscapes, or relive cherished memories. But can we maintain a healthy distinction between reality and the allure of digital escapism? 12. Human augmentation. The cyborg future. Blurring the lines between human and machine, human augmentation could enhance our strengths and overcome limitations. Imagine bionic limbs surpassing human dexterity, exoskeletons granting superhuman strength, or neural implants boosting memory and mental processing power. But where do we draw the line between enhancement and fundamentally altering what it means to be human? From mind-bending VR escapes to living on the moon, the future promises a kaleidoscope of possibilities. Embrace the wonder, grapple with the ethical complexities, and remember, the future is ours to shape. Thank you for watching. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and turn on notifications. See you in the next video.